Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to process split and part payments in Xero. This is incredibly useful when you need to divide a single transaction across multiple categories or expense accounts, giving you more accurate financial records and better insights into where your money is actually going. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This is where you'll access your Xero accounting dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your Xero credentials, so go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details associated with your business account to ensure you have access to all your financial data. After signing in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the main navigation menu and click on Accounting. This will trigger an expanded window to appear, showing you various accounting-related options that Xero offers. These options are the core of how you'll manage your business finances within the platform. From this expanded menu, click on Bank Accounts. This section houses all the bank accounts you've connected to Xero, allowing you to view and manage transactions for each one. Next, select the specific bank account where you want to process the split payment. This could be your primary business account or any other account you've linked to Xero for tracking purposes. Once you've selected your bank account, you'll be directed to that account's transaction overview page. Give it a moment to load all your recent transactions. From here, look toward the top part of your screen and click on Cash Coding. This feature allows you to categorize and manage individual transactions more effectively. Now, locate the transaction you wish to split. You'll see a list of transactions with checkboxes on the left side of each one. Click the checkbox next to the transaction you want to work with to select it. This highlights the transaction and prepares it for editing. With the transaction selected, look to the furthest right part of that transaction row. You'll notice a drop-down arrow. Click on it. A menu will appear with several options, and among them, you'll see Split. Go ahead and click on Split. This opens up the functionality that allows you to divide this single transaction into multiple parts. A Spend Money window will now appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll split the expense by adjusting the description and adding item lines that detail exactly how the fund was divided and spent. You can allocate different amounts to different expense categories, making your bookkeeping far more precise and meaningful. Take your time filling this out accurately, as it directly impacts your financial reporting. Once you've entered all the necessary details and you're satisfied with how the transaction has been split, click Save to store the changes. Your split payment is now processed and categorized correctly in Xero. And there you have it, you've successfully processed a split payment in Xero, giving you cleaner books and better financial visibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.